Hello! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Smartsupp chatbox. This allows you to communicate in real time with your visitors via our dashboard or mobile app. So let's dive in. There are 3 ways how to install our chatbox: manual installation, installation via built-in CMS plugin, or using Google Tag Manager. First, I'm going to show you how to add code manually. Let's start in our dashboard. Click on Settings right here and then choose Chatbox. Click on tab called Installation, and here you're going to click on the first option, Insert Code. Simply click on Copy, and we need to copy the code into head tag element, and I will show you how. Here is the head tag element. Simply paste the code here, save it, and let's check it on our website. See, Chatbox is live. Now let me show you how you can install Smartsupp chatbox using built-in CMS plugin. Go to your plugin app store right here. Simply type in Smartsupp. Click on Install. Again, you need to click on Install right here. Type in your login credentials to your Smartsupp account. And you're all set, but let me check it on my online store. Here you can see that Smartsupp chatbox is live, so you're all set and ready to chat. Now let me show you how you can install Smartsupp chatbox using Google Tag Manager. Go to your dashboard and click on Settings. Here you're going to click on Chatbox and click on tab called Installation. Here I'm going to choose the second option, Google Tag Manager, and simply click on Sign into GTM. After that, you're going to choose your account and container. And then click on Create and Publish Tag. And now you're all set and ready to chat. After you've installed your chatbox, you might want to customize it even more so it would fit your website. Let me show you how. Let's go to Settings right here, click on Chatbox, and stay in this tab called Appearance. You can choose the color of your chatbox, position, left or right, and you can play with the copy for both online and offline status. You can also choose the theme of your chatbox, either button or bubble. And that's it. If you want more advanced settings, click on Options and you can play with it even more. In today's video, I've showed you how you can install our chatbox in 3 different ways. I've also showed you how you can customize your chatbox so it looks great on your website. If you have any questions, comment down below and I will see you in the next video. Bye!